Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on Valve Index. First, make sure your Valve Index headset and controllers are fully connected to your computer. Next, open the Steam VR application on your desktop. It is crucial that all your hardware, including the headset and both controllers, show green status lights within Steam VR, indicating they are ready to go. This initial setup ensures a smooth transition into virtual reality. Now, let's optimize your settings. Within Steam VR, navigate to the developer options and enable OpenXR as the default runtime. This provides the best compatibility for Roblox. With Steam VR running and your headset active, launch any Roblox experience directly from your computer. Once the game loads, bring up the Experience menu, usually by pressing the Escape key or clicking the menu icon. To activate virtual reality, go into the Settings section of the Roblox Experience menu. Look for the dedicated VR option, which should be clearly visible. Toggle this setting to the On position. If Roblox prompts you to restart the experience to apply this change, please do so. This step is essential for the game to properly initialize in virtual reality mode with your Valve Index. With VR mode now enabled in Roblox, put on your Valve Index headset. You should immediately find yourself immersed in the Roblox world. Your Index controllers will allow you to interact with the environment and navigate through experiences. Prepare to explore a vast array of Roblox games, from adventures to simulations, all in stunning and interactive virtual reality. Enjoy your new immersive journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.